Hey, I'm going to teach you how to draw bend on the harmonica in the next 3 minutes. We're playing on a C harp. Let's start the timer and get into it. Okay, so bending is a function of your tongue. If you're a puckering player, then or lip pursing, your tongue is going to like move back in your mouth like a wave. If you're a tongue blocking player, your tongue is going to be on the comb of the harmonica and it's going to collapse like that at different levels to get deeper and deeper bends. Now, the great thing is you can practice this and be successful with this even without a harmonica. There's just a simple exercise you can try, and here's how it goes. It's a little different if you're a puckering or lip pursing player versus a tongue blocking player. I'm going to explain the basics and I'll explain how you modify this for tongue blocking afterwards. So for puckering players, your tongue's just going to be normally floating in your mouth, right? And you're going to scrunch your lips up like this, okay? Tongue's going to be just in your mouth and you're going to go so like ooh, like kind of like you're powering something down, okay, like that, right? And then the sounds ki, K, and ku, and those are going to help you get some of the individual bends like on hole 3. So you're going to do this no harmonica first, mouth scrunched. Everything that I'm doing to change the pitch is happening with my tongue. If you find that your mouth is opening like it's not going to help you. Your mouth needs to be pretty closed up. So I think you'll find this to be more helpful if you look in a mirror and make sure that your mouth is doing the things that you want it to. If you're a tongue blocking player, it's the same idea, but instead of your tongue just kind of floating in your mouth, what you're going to do is you're going to put your tongue on your bottom row of teeth, and then it's going to collapse as you make those sounds. All right, so that's the idea. Now, this all happened when we were exhaling, right? Because we're vocalizing. We're going to be drawing for the low bends on our harmonica. So we have to do this on an inhale. So whatever form you got to work when you're doing it out loud, we're going to do the same thing, but inhaling. There's really nothing to hear, but that's the motion. So if you can do that, you should be able to just pick up your harmonica. That's on hole 3. And be able to bend those pitches. It might not be that accurate to start, but you should get that reed to move and get a bend to actually work on your harp. So that's the exercise. If you need help with this, look in a mirror and make sure that you're not opening your mouth to go make those sounds, okay? And then do it both on an exhale and then on an inhale. The inhale will really prepare you for the bends, but the exhale where you're vocalizing is going to make sure that you can bend that pitch, because really what's happening when we do this exercise is we are bending the pitch vocally with our tongue, which is exactly what it's going to feel like on your harmonica. So try this out. I hope it helps you, and I'll see you in the next one.